Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. I think the Solana assumption from yesterday is currently playing out further. We talked about the potential that in this particular wave setup, let's assume we are here in a possible bullish setup, a 1-2 setup, that we are in a triangle. We talked about this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2. But in the wave 2, you have A, B, C. And the wave B can be a triangle. This looks very much like a triangle. And we can say that in the wave B, we've seen the wave A, seen the wave B, seen the wave C. We're now coming down in D and would push once more up in E before we come down in C. And ideally find support and then we'll push higher in wave 3. So this is really the micro counting. We can make here some wild assumptions about when that wave D will end and find support. And for me, a key target that you normally find is you can measure the length of the wave B and compare it to the wave D. And then you say one ideal target is the 61.8% extension. We've pretty much reached that at 32.35. So we've come down to 32.40. I think that's pretty accurate. Let's see if we now push higher in wave E and we'll then come down to form wave 2. If we then come down in wave 2, we ideally do not want to go below the 78.6% fib level. So we do not want to go below $31.17, already highlighted here with that dotted line, because below that level it will already get less likely that this is a wave 2. So so this is sort of the micro setup we have, and I would not really get engaged in any kind of triangle trading. It's always a bit difficult, especially if you see it's a triangle. Sometimes it's not that clear, but here it is fairly clear due to this sideways range. And overall, you can still say that we are here in a descending triangle. That's another option, a more bearish option of looking at it. And all it does, it just reflects the uncertainty in this chart. We talked about it in the last videos that things are far away from clear here on the Solana chart. It is one of the, basically frozen charts, I would say, where not much is happening. Not much has happened since the beginning or the end of August, pretty much, Really, with the exception of that dip here, of that small spike here all the way to $39, which then was sold off again. So pretty much for the last, 3-4 weeks, there wasn't a lot happening here. So we're pretty much at the same price level that we were on the 13th of September. So things are not entirely clear. In both, we have both a potential to be bullish or bearish, but both have not really shown any potential yet. So we do not know, because we are just in a range at the moment. There is a count that can be possibly bullish, wave 1 up here, wave 2 down here, the wave 3 would be next, but there are various problems with that chart, with that count as well. This is only a leading diagonal. They are not very reliable, these Elliott wave patterns. Then the wave 2, that's fine, but then we have a problem here with this 1-2 setup of the wave 3. This was sold off like very strongly, basically retraced 99%. That's not good. And then this move up here in a wave 1 in the sub wave of the yellow wave 3, also only a diagonal pattern, nothing great, right? So all of that doesn't really give us a lot of confidence in the bullish count, and the bearish count also isn't really selling off at the moment. So to get more confidence in the bearish count, we would need to sell off first below 31.70, 17.17, and then $30. As soon as we go below $30, I think that's it, and we have finally got our confirmation that we will go lower, and probably also go below the low of $26, the low from June. So and any upside potential will get clearer, first of all, if we break above that descending trend line we have here on the chart, this sort of triangle trend line. If we break above that, in the first instance we need to break above 35.40 to also then take out the previous swing high and then move above the $39 level. As soon as we move above 39, I think the bulls are in control. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.